Hello everyone. Welcome to day 2 of the 5-day English Shadowing Challenge. Yesterday you practiced 25 common sentences. Today we will continue your training. The method is the same. Listen carefully. Then repeat each sentence out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the stress. Copy the emotion. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Do not just listen. Speak with me. Shadowing trains your speaking muscles. It builds muscle memory. This helps your English sound more natural. Today we will practice 25 more sentences that are very common in movies and everyday conversations. Ready? Let's begin. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. No way. No way. No way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Say that again. Say that again. Say that again. Like, subscribe, and keep improving your English. Like, subscribe, and keep improving your English. Like, subscribe, and keep improving your English. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. This isn't over. This isn't over. This isn't over. It's over. It's over. It's over. We're running out of time. We're running out of time. We're running out of time. Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. I've got this. I've got this. I've got this. That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. What's your plan? What's your plan? What's your plan? That's the plan. That's the plan. That's the plan. Great work. You finished day 2 of the 5-day English shadowing challenge. You practiced 25 more sentences today. If you repeated them out loud, your speaking muscles are getting stronger. Repetition builds fluency. Feel free to practice this video again. Tomorrow we continue the challenge with 25 new sentences. Keep going. Stay consistent. I will see you in day 3.